So I don't know if you guys are ready for this, because I don't know if I am either, but we got 4 raised boxes. So that could only be one thing. The new wheels are here. So we take a closer look. This is what I went with, guys. Volk Racing TE37SL. I can't believe I have these. Definitely very, very surreal. Seal authentication. Gotta make sure these are legit. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I have this in my house. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing for you guys. And honestly, I'm just gonna go ahead and get the tires mounted on while I can, just to get it over with. But jeez, I can't believe I have this in my house. Okay, let's unbox this. All right, so of course I'm just gonna unbox one wheel because you know it's all the same. But let's see what's inside. Never unboxed a set of real wheels before, so this is pretty exciting. Alright, we got it nice and wrapped in there. Hopefully nothing's damaged or anything. Probably not. I'm going to try to keep everything in order so that when we transport this to the shop, nothing happens. Definitely keep these. Good for, you know, storing wheels and whatnot. Alright, so again with the TE37 warranty information. You know, your tags and whatnot. Got your spoke sticker as well. I'm still debating whether I want to keep this or not. I mean, I do like the red, but also really like the silver that the SLs come with. But of course, JDM prices, these stickers are not cheap. But here we go. This kind of determines if it's legit or not. It's all in Japanese, so you already know it's good. Alright guys, here's the best part. Taking off this cover. So this is the first time I'm seeing this finish in person. Just go ahead. Oh my god, this is crazy. Whoosh. Holy crap, guys. Oh my gosh. This is one crazy finish. Holy crap. I'll give you guys a closer look, but holy, here they are. TE37SLs going on my Impreza, which is unbelievable. Wow, this is mad. Anyway, enough getting hype about the wheel. Let's see what we got in the box. This is the valve stem. Of course, I just kind of messed up the box here, but whatever. I don't think you can really return these, but it comes with valve stems. Let me cut this quick. Alright, so it comes with valve stems. These also aren't cheap if you buy them separately. Oh, they are red, so should go nice with the SL logo there. I'll give you guys a closer look, don't worry. But oh, you got the cap too. All right, get you everything. That's pretty cool. I'm kind of speechless right now because I never thought I would have these wheels, but I'm gonna give you guys a closer look here. All right, so this finish is called Diamond Black. Now apparently this was the last set in stock at System Motorsports. So sorry if you ever wanted these. I did end up snagging them, but yep. Diamond Black, 18 by 9.5 plus 40 TE37SL Super Lap. So I'm gonna give you guys a closer look here, you know, get some more details of the wheels. Honestly, I'm sorry for my speech pad. I'm very excited for this. I hope they fit, you know. I did go with a square setup this time, 255/35 Volk and the Zenith. Let me give you guys some details here if this camera will look at that. Nice little metallic. It's like a nice, you know, dark gray kind of color. You know, I wanted the pressed double black, but unfortunately that had a 7-month wait, and I really wasn't looking to wait that long. But this actually kind of came perfect. This is actually the wheel color I really like. You know, this is what I wanted originally anyway, like way back. These are super light. Wow, they are super light for 18s. Gotta make sure everything looks good before I mount them on the tires. But I can't imagine these bending or anything. That would be crazy. These are forged wheels. Real wheels, as they say. Crazy if I drop these, right? We do have all our stickers to authenticate the wheel. Take this tag off. I'm gonna keep all this. Keeping every single piece of literature. Again, the sticker. So I'm gonna get you guys some cinematic shots. morning. We're back from the tire shop, and now check it out, guys. Got the tires all mounted up. So these are Falcon Azenas FK510 255/35. So nice meaty setup for once, you know, nice sidewall too. But right now what I'm gonna do is actually apply the spoke sticker, because that is probably one of the most important things about getting the SLs. You're gonna want to put these on. So we go ahead and do that, clean up the surface nice and all that fun stuff, and also make sure I put it in the right spot. Yeah, let's go ahead and apply these stickers. Super excited to get rid of these. I love these wheels, but I think it's time to upgrade. But you know, these will hopefully serve me for my wintertime usage, but we'll see if they're gonna be for sale or not. But chances are I'm just gonna keep these. Probably change the tires. These tires are all right, I guess, but man, are they loud, and they don't do so well in the rain. But anyway, enough of that. Start getting these wheels unloaded here. Always keep these, you know, it helps when you store wheels, you don't damage anything. So here's a closer look, guys. This is diamond black, 18 by 9.5 plus 40, Volk Racing TE37SL. Very nice color. Also comes with the raised valve stems. They come in red in this case. Got the SL logo applied there already. Now, based on what I've seen online through various images, the sticker is supposed to orient this way, so kind of at a 3 o'clock position from where the valve stem is. I've seen some people mount it directly, you know, across, but that is actually not the right way. So I'm gonna double check, of course, make sure it actually goes that way, because there's only one shot at this, because these stickers are crazy expensive when you buy them alone. So yeah, let's not screw this up. Make sure I clean this all nice, you know, get it all wiped down, and yeah, we'll go ahead and apply the sticker. So here's a closer look at the sticker. You know, it's just a basic, looks like it's from some kind of 3M film, but yeah, it looks like it's your standard transfer tape and all that. Lining this part up, I think you're gonna have to just eyeball it. It's not really a measurement, but kind of get an idea from seeing images of these wheels and how these are applied. So we're gonna use that as a reference on where to put these. I'm gonna make sure it's all clean, and then I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it down with some wax and grease remover and make sure there's no contaminants on the spoke for when we apply it. It should look something like this. You know, it's slightly offset here from the center. Honestly, I'm just gonna eyeball it. So these aren't quite my wheels, but it does show the orientation. So sorry, the focus kind of sucks, but as you can see, valve stem is at the 6 o'clock and the spoke is on the 3 o'clock. So I guess we're gonna offset it slightly there to whatever kind of looks right. The thing is supposed to line up with these little curves there. So yeah, we'll clean it up. Go ahead and throw this bad boy on there. Honestly, that might be it, guys. I think it's about the same distance all around. So already pressed it on. On the bright side, if red doesn't do it for me, then I will get the silver one. Let's try to press this on. Alright guys, that's it. All or nothing here, so boom, look at that. I think I got it pretty good, guys. It's on. Go ahead and remove the clear film. Oh yeah, that is dead on. Not bad. Sheesh, look at that. That literally just makes the entire wheel, like just that spoke sticker. It's crazy. Here are the Project Kicks R40 Iconics lug nuts. I think they're the Iconics, I'm not sure, but they are the Project Kicks lugs. They have this, you know, special bearing on the bottom or whatever that spins, and it doesn't scratch your wheel when you are torquing your lugs down. Also got some hub-centric rings, of course. Sits. Let's see. Guys, this thing looks crazy. This lugs go perfectly with this color too. They're like a titanium chrome kind of thing. It's really slick. They also give you this special socket that has like padding in there. So when you spin this, you're not gonna scratch it. All right, so quick update for you guys. My camera actually died when I was putting the wheels on. But here's what we got it set at. This is the car in the air, of course, so can't get it too low, but at the same time I wanted to hide these tire lines right here. I feel like I always like that look. I don't know, guys, it's tough because there's not much room in these fenders. It actually doesn't rub, I don't think, at least, because there's actually a lot of space. Of course, going into the rears, believe it or not, there actually is a lot of room. I was able to roll it enough, you know, back then, and I also shaved a lot of this bumper and this rear tab here, and definitely plenty of room back here. I could tuck these if I really wanted to. Of course, this is with -3 degrees of camber. Probably could lessen or reduce the camber in the rear. You know, when I go get my alignment, I'm gonna try my best just to keep it at the same spec as before, but now we just have a lot more tire to fill up the wheel wells. So I did have to throw on the spacer in the fronts because, unfortunately, for some reason on these cars, I've had this issue before. Back of the wheel, no matter what offset or whatever, it always seems way too close to the coilover. Like, same with these ones, there wasn't much room back there, so I had to add a 3mm spacer. Makes this offset, I want to say plus 35 at this point, because I have the spacer for the Brembo as well. And it does clear the Brembos, clear as most things. I can turn, I mean, there's enough space up here, but I'm not sure if you can see that. Kind of see where my coils are at. Almost maxed out. I'd say there's like a 1/4 inch right there, maybe even less than that. All right, so what I'm gonna do is max out the fronts again, just to see where it sits, because honestly, it's really close. Then the rear, it is slightly tucking in the rear. I did raise it probably, you know, 3/4 of an inch from where it was. It is still tucking slightly. Before it was almost touching the lip, but now it's like a little bit, which is what I want, really. And the car does seem stiff enough. I did stand on the back, you know, jumped on it, and it wasn't hitting anything. So just gotta match the front. I don't want any rake fitment, especially with a square setup. Yeah, overall, guys, pretty stoked. I really haven't even seen these wheels in the sunlight yet, so I'm gonna be in for a real surprise here shortly. So I'm gonna max these out. I'm gonna remeasure the rear, see where I have it at, because I forgot to do that. And then see how it sits. Yeah, guys, let's just max out the fronts. So sorry that I'm not really filming, you know, the whole adjusting coilovers and all that. I mean, it's really not that interesting anyway, but I feel like I can probably work on focusing on is trying to get the right fitment. I mean, once I get this side down, I can pretty much just match the other side, you know, get the same exact measurements and all that, and then we should be pretty good. But I'm gonna focus on that. I'll catch up with you guys here soon. All right, so quick update for you guys. I did end up maxing out the front. We are tucking right there, just kind of how I want it, kind of hiding this tread up here. I think it looks the best that way. In terms of fitment and clearance, there's plenty from the fender and the tire. I don't rub, I don't think. I have to test it out, of course. In terms of the rear, raise it up probably like a good 1.5 inches or so, but it's still tucking a little bit more than I like. So I'm gonna do one more final adjustment, just raise it up just a hair. This is with the car on a flat ground, not much weight besides the wing. So this is where it's sitting right now. Does not rub at all, just by standing on the hatch and all that. Not even rub. It's super close, like it's crazy close, but it's still pretty good. I'm actually quite surprised. Yeah, so I'm gonna raise this up another hair just so I can get it as close as I can to the front there. It's already pretty darn low as it is, so I'm gonna raise it up very slightly, and hopefully we can get it to match the front a little bit better. And then I just gotta repeat the process on the other side. I probably won't show on camera because it's really quite tedious. So I still need to put the Volk stickers on this one. It's definitely a process doing that, because if you get it wrong, then kind of out of luck. Yeah, guys, 2 more to go here. I'm gonna adjust the rears quick. Here are the wheels side by side. CR Lies and TE37. Alright guys, so it's now nighttime. Finally got everything dialed in, all the wheels torqued down. Here's the rear fitment. Sorry the lighting sucks, but I'll show you guys some stuff in the daytime here shortly, but check it out. Nice and you know, nice and flush. Honestly, I think the car is a little lower now because of the 35 series, you know, tire, but honestly guys, this is completely blown away. That fitment, yo, it's crazy. I can't believe I'm able to fit these wheels on this car. I still have to drive it, you know, I'm not sure if it's gonna rub yet, but I'll show you guys some more clips when it's the daytime again, but check it out. Some tight fitment for sure. And I'm almost positive it's not gonna rub because there's actually more room. Yeah guys, shows off the Brembo's nice. This diamond black finish is no joke. I've yet to see it in like full sunlight, so that would be interesting, but I'm gonna wrap it up here tonight guys. I'll see you guys in the morning. I did drive it around last night, and it is not really rubbing, not on this side at least, but it is rubbing on this fender. But I think it's because I have this partially rolled right at about this point right there. So what I'm gonna do is just take a hammer and just roll it very slightly. I don't need it to roll fully. I think if we roll that, it should be fine. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to roll this just a little bit. Hopefully, I don't screw this up. So you guys can see it's relatively flat up there, and then as you come down, you see it starts to kind of go back out to how it came stock. So when I rolled these fenders initially, I didn't do it all the way because it wasn't really necessary. But now, like right here, it seems to be causing some issues. I'm gonna hammer this and hopefully not screw this up. I'm gonna heat the crap out of it. Say these are some light 18s. Let's see here. I think honestly that might be enough. Just very slight roll. Actually, you know what? Instead of guessing, I feel like it's gonna hit. So I'm just gonna roll it some more off camera here, and hopefully we can get this going. Because of course I don't want to damage the outside. You don't really want that hammer mark there at all. But I'm gonna go ahead and try to do this some more. Figured might as well, since I'm at this point, just go all the way here and see where we go from there. Alright, so sorry that it seems like this video is all over the place. I've been trying to get this fitment fixed and installing some new stuff, but the wheels are now on. Just gonna get the alignment here sometime soon. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna throw in some cinematics here, go out, take some photos for Instagram and all that fun stuff, and yeah, it should be pretty good. Sorry that it was kind of all over the place. I was really focused on trying to get this fitment dialed. Of course, fitting these kind of tires on this chassis, it's quite impossible because these fenders are so narrow that fitting anything over a 235 or 245, it's going to be a problem. But somehow managed to get it on there. Zero rub, for now. I'm still going to get the car aligned next week, so we'll see how it goes then. If you guys enjoyed the video, thank you to Steven for taking those rollers for me. Hopefully in the future we can do a big, kind of feature on this car, more scenes, cooler shots, and hopefully I can fix the front lip by then. Anyway, guys, follow me on Instagram at @KGFX. Check out Katana Style, my own lifestyle and apparel brand. Just recently released some new printed stickers, and some of you guys may know that you can use code YT20 for 20% off at checkout. So feel free to support, and I'll get you guys in the next video.